The World Oral Health Day 2026 PANGTHOKKHRE Pangthokiba Thoramadu Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma, Director RIMS, Professor N. Sanjeev Singh, Medical Superintendent RIMS Hospital, R.K. McCall Singh, Deputy Director, Amadi Dr. B. Pravin Reddy, Principal Dental College Sarukyaki, Loinana, RIMS ki Head of Department Singh Faculty Members, Amadi Staff Singh Su Sarukyaki.
I would like to sincerely appreciate the entire big dental college team for organizing this every year and listening to the most important public comments where the difficulty of coming here is a very big issue in our state. I think I need to mention our students also because students numbers are quite big here. To our students I like to say that you are the future ambassadors of oral health. The knowledge and skills you acquire here must be complemented with compassion and a strong sense of social responsibility. Remember, every patient you treat is not just a clinical case, but a human being who places trust on every one of you. As we all know, oral diseases remain a significant public health concern in all the developing countries, including India, and often neglected until they become very severe. It is where awareness, early detection, and preventive care play a very crucial role. Initiatives like the one we have done in the last month are going to bridge the gap, and we are going to should be able to prevent further disease condition due to oral health. As we conclude this month-long observance, let it not mark an end, but rather a continuation of our efforts that we have been doing for the past 3-4 years. Let us carry forward the message that oral health is integral to general health. Let us try to build a society where no one suffers from preventable oral diseases, where every individual understands that a healthy mouth truly leads a health. You can say very
conducted by the Department of Pediatric and Preventive Dentistry in collaboration with Samagra Shiksha Manipur Education. Dental screening and treatment camps were conducted. More than 10 camps were conducted during this time. CD program by Oral Pathology Department is conducted. Dr. Ratna Nitai conducted education exposure visit to students of various schools. Department of Pedo conducted hands-on demonstration of oral hygiene practices using tooth model 1-to-1 for students and various schools at Jubilee Hall. Cyclothon was conducted by OMFS on 20th April and the event was flagged off by our director and MS. And some of them programs are missing in this, but I should thank this was possible only by the team effort. And I think we can do again with the team effort, we can achieve anything. And I should thank the interns for actively participating and students for supporting us. And I should say thanks for our leader, our director, without whose support it is not possible. And I want to thank personally our MS who personally involved in encouraging us. And I want to thank our DDA for supporting us.